had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been
Hello, good morning. Saturday today. What date is today, ate? Ate, anong date ngayon? 17th of August, Saturday, and hindi ko na maalala when was the last time I vlog kasi grabe ang tamad. Nakakatamad kasi ang init. Okay, so anyway, today is Saturday and namalengke si Sir to buy pili kasi dun lang naman merong pili kasi wala dito sa amin. Charan! Favorite ko to. Kaya ang problema ko, hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-preserve. Kasi kapag kinabukasan, medyo na, ano na siya, parang nalalanta. So, hindi ko naman kaya ubusin ng isang buong plastic sa isang kainan, di ba? Anyway, tanggalin natin siya sa plastic para maano siya, makasingaw. While this other kid is having her breakfast, price agad sa breakfast. Anyway, hindi yung pili. Tingnan nyo naman, oh, kaganda. And, ang sarap. Sabi ni Maxine, ang lasa daw parang gas. Well, hindi. Ang sarap. Lalo na pag sinawsaw mo siya sa toyo na may kalamansi. Oh my God, ang sarap. Anyway, I'm showing this to you. Hold on, dyan ka lang. Bumili si Father ng bangus. So, yan ay boneless. Lalagyan natin yan. Ibababad natin yan siya sa suka na may suka. Ibababad sa suka na may pepper and garlic para gawin natin siyang daing. And then, yan, lilinisan natin. Gawin natin, gawin natin yan siyang Adidas. Okay? So, matindi-tinding linisan to. Let's see if I can finish it. Mag-8 na pala. So, anyway, ibababad ko lang yung bangos. So, mag-aasikaso na ako kasi merong parents meeting sa school ni Maxine. So, nakakahiya naman hindi tayo attend. And then, naalis naman tayo by 9:30. So, medyo busy ang mga first one for today's video. But anyway, I'll show you kung paano ibabad. Diyos ko naman, babad lang naman yun. But anyway, I'll share it anyway, okay?
Swipe left, swipe right, just another night. Profiles in my sight, but it don't feel right. It just doesn't feel right, baby. It just doesn't feel right. Faces in a line, wasting all my time. Want to find the light, but it feels so tight. So tight.
Okay, so we're home. And it's afternoon. I think it's 1 o'clock. Diba ito yung manok kanina na pinakita ko sa inyo? Chicken feet. Twing, 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 twing. Okay, so syempre tinanggalan na natin yan ng kuko. Oo, na nail polish na niya ng ayos. Natanggal na ang kuko niyan at natanggal ang skin. So, ang ginagawa kasi dito ni Mother Earth, ginigisa niya yung chicken feet, sa luya, sibuyas, bawang, and then, walang kamatis, toyo, suka, and then yung mga pampalasa like salt, pepper. Anyhow, so I'll show you how to hiwa and everything. And then ito, iaano muna natin, ima-marinate. Okay?
Trying so hard not to like you. There's
instead of life. And I know that you feel the same about us. Yeah, but the timing isn't right. So let me just let go, let go. I've seen us more than friends. And let me just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend. But I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go. And I'll leave it to the universe. Let's 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 leave it to the universe. No, I'm not gonna wait, but I'll never be too late. You're into faith and I'm into fate. So I'ma give it some space, cause love ain't a race to be won. And maybe someday we'll find a new way between love and lust, respect and pray. We put the kettle on after we walk in the morning sun. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna let go, let go. I've seen us more than friends. And let me just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend. But I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before.
So, today, gawa tayo ng sauce. Hindi naman, babe. Magkakat lang ako and then magkukok na ako dito. So, since gumawa tayo ng Adidas, syempre, imposibleng walang sauce. And then, meron naman tayong tirang yung sa marinade. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Sticky na siya. That's because of the collagen. Rich in collagen tong mga chicken feet and then yung sa pig, sa pork. So, kaya kung gusto nyo ng beautiful skin, useful skin, kumain kayo ng chicken feet at saka yung mga food na rich in collagen. Okay? Tsaka syempre tubig. Anyway, so may pa-tips pa tayo dyan. Okay, so hiwain lang natin ng pino yung garlic and then yung chilies. Napadami actually yung sili ko dyan. So, kung hindi nyo feel ang masyadong maanghang, konti lang. And then, we will also add sugar dun na mismo sa mixture. So, nag-add ako ng water dun sa natirang marinade. Tapos, nilagyan ko din ng yung garlic and then yung sili. And then, sabay-sabay ko na silang pakukuluan. Yung cornstarch sa pinakahuli. Pampasik lang naman yun ng sauce. Yung palapot. Hi, kain na tayo. Ito na yung ating manok. O, di ba, inihaw na natin siya. And kakain na tayo with pili, sausawan na toyo, mansi, and rice. Now, syempre, mawawala ba ang ating paboritong kapartner sa kainan? Naku, hindi yung mawawala. Hihi, wait. We did it, Mavi.
What? Oh, look. It's even moving too.
Oh my god. Come, Ate Max, try this.
Roar! Roar!
Parang gusto lang laman.
Chicken legs! Chicken legs! Chicken legs! Chicken legs!
Kakatin mo lang.
Chicken legs!
Where?
Chicken
Parang
legs!
malalambot.
Chicken legs! Chicken legs! Chicken legs! Chicken legs!
Malambot?
Chicken legs! Chicken legs! Chicken legs!
Kapila.
Chicken legs! Chicken leg.
Quiet. Oh my god, the pili is rotten.
Where?
Amazing. Do you like it?
Okay. If I put it, Mom, if I put this in the cat.
Okay, so this is Sunday, August 18, and bumaba kami, or pumunta kami sa Legazpi. Kasi, punta kami ng city, kasi meron kaming binili, which is yung project costume ni Mavi. And, first time namin malaman na meron palang wolf sa isang mall dito sa Legazpi. So, ayan, very na-miss ng mga bata, bilang na-miss ng mga bata. Super play sila. And, pati kaming mga adult. Pati kami ni Daddy nag-enjoy. So, ayan, share ko dyan sa inyo yung mga pinagagawa namin. At napakaswerte ni Mavi kasi nung trinay niya yung claw machine na yan, makikita niyo, promise, nakakuha siya. So, and Daddy as well. So, ang swerte. Anyway, share ko lang tong bits and pieces na ito nung nag-woof kami. And then after that, yeah, we went home, and then I will share some more.
You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah. And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, cause I've been missing you like every day. The world was falling and you always had my back. How am I gonna pay you for that? Reunited with you, give me someone that, gonna steal your picture, just so you know I miss you. I'ma print it out and pin ya. Gonna wake up, give me a pinch, yeah. Wasting time, I'm lonely, dying so slowly. Can't you come home to me? Cause without you days feel like months, and I've been drowning in my own apartment, driving on my own because it's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah. And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, cause I've been missing you like every day. I'm longing for your escape. It's calling me every day. Come by my side today. I can't help myself today.
Heya! What's up, guys? It's Sunday today. I think it's August 18th, and it is 3:55 in the afternoon. So, umalis kami kahapon, di ba? And then, sinabi ko, and then bumalik kami ng project for costume. Bumalik kami ng costume ni Mavi. And then, hindi ako na-satisfied dun sa binili ko, sa binili namin. So, bumalik kami today to get kasi wala pa siyang, so anyway, ito yung, para ma-explain ko, yung costume ni Mavi is pang Buwanang Wika. So, August 30, magpa-present sila sa school. And then, sasayaw sila ng magtanim ay bibiro, I guess. And then, pasensya na sa ingay ng motor ng aking asawa. Ng aking esposo. So, anyway, bumili kami ng mga pang-costume niya. And I'm just going to show it. Dapat kasi ano siya, di ba? One set. Pero dun sa nabilan ko, wala siyang hanky, yung sa head. So, ang binili namin is saya. Sobrang hirap hanapan ng costume ni Mavi kasi ang liit niya. So, ito yung nabili natin. Ito na yung pinakamaliit, ha? Yan na yung pinakamaliit. So, meron naman yan na inner sando. And then, siguro pa-planchahin. Of course naman, kasi lukot na lukot, diba? And then, ang kapartner niyan is ito. Saya. So, no choice kasi ito lang talaga yung makasya sa kanya. As in, ang hirap hanapan ng maliit yung size. So, ito lang yung kasya. Look mo naman yan. And then, I think meron pa yan dito somewhere na parang sash. So, ito na yun. There. I think tatastasin lang yan and then ilalagay yung dito parang balabal na pahaba. So, there you go. And then, of course, yun yung wala. Yung dito. Kasi kailangan parang may hanky. So, naghanap ako. Kaya kami umalis today. And, dapat, diba, ideally, same as the skirt. Same design, pero wala. So, ito na lang. I know this is very big, pero i-ano lang natin siya. I-paiksian. Something like that. Para mag-ano kay Mavi. Magtawag dito. Ano ba yun? Mag-match. Mag-match kay Maverick. So, mag-match sa size niya. So, ganyan. Something like that. And then, tatali natin dyan siya. So, for sure, kasha yan. Okay? Ayan, nagulo na. And then, kailangan niya din ng, ano ba yung buho ko na gulo? Okay. Kailangan niya din ng slippers. So, dapat abaka. So, medyo hindi na sila nagbibenta. Meron sa Shopee, pero hindi ko kasi sure kung aabot. Meron sa mga online stores, pero hindi ko sure kung aabot sa mismo event. So, I might as well have it ready. Anyway, once lang naman gagamitin. And I know, dapat, diba yung abaka na pag ganon, yung slippers. Ang worry ko, kasi sa liit nga ng paa niya, baka hindi siya maging comfortable. So anyway, this is still abaka and hindi naman kita. So might as well use that. Meron akong binili, actually, na pag ganon. Look at the size. Ito, maliit sa kanya. Ito naman, sakto. So, konting-konti lang naman ang difference. Pero titingnan ko pa rin if this will fit her. Kasi, mas maganda to compare dito. Ito pa siguro lang, just in case. Hindi niya tumatripan. Actually, hindi niya talaga gusto. Yan na naman yung mga anak ko. Meron silang mga sarili nilang desisyon sa buhay. So anyway, papasukat ko sa kanya.
I'm trying so hard not to like you. There's so much that I like, and I know that you feel the same about us. Yeah, but the timing isn't right. So let me just let go. I've seen us more than friends, and I'ma just move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, and I'll leave it to the universe. Let's 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 leave it to the universe. No, I'm not gonna wait, but I'll never be too late. You're into faith and I'm into fate. So I'ma give it some space, cause love ain't a race to be won. maybe someday we'll find a way between love and lust, respect and pray. We put the kettle on after we walk in the morning sun. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna let go, let go. I'm seeing us more than friends, and let me just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go, and I'll leave it to the universe.